Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose your starting Warframe in Warframe Mobile. Now, when you first begin the game after the intro sequence, you'll be asked to choose your starter Warframe. On mobile, the selection process works just like on any other platforms. You will be presented with three options: Excalibur, Mag, or Volt, and each one has a different playstyle. So this choice really depends on how you like to play. If you want a balanced and beginner-friendly option, Excalibur is usually the safest pick. He's great for close combat, has strong damage abilities, and is very straightforward to use. But if you prefer crowd control and manipulating enemies, then Mag is more ability focused and can group enemies together, which is great for clearing rooms. But if you like speed and aggressive gameplay, well, Vault offers fast movement and strong burst damage, which can make missions feel quicker and more dynamic. To choose, simply tap on the Warframe you want, preview their abilities if you'd like, and then confirm your selection. Once confirmed, that Warframe becomes your starting frame and you'll begin progressing through the early missions with it. So don't stress too much about this decision though. You can unlock and craft the other Warframes later in the game through blueprints and resources. Your starter just determines how your early experience feels. So pick the one that matches your playstyle, confirm your choice, and jump into your journey as a Tenno. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!